humans, every answer leads to a new set of questions, questions that we haven't even asked before.
How 31-year-old Indian founder is trying to shake ChatGPT, Google's Gemini AI dominance. 1. The man behind the movement, academic roots and global exposure. Aravvin Srinivas hails from Chennai, India, and completed both a B.Tech and M.Tech in electrical engineering from IIT Madras. He then pursued a PhD in computer science at UC Berkeley, deepening his expertise in AI and machine learning. His time at Berkeley and internships at world-class AI research organizations, including Google Brain, DeepMind, and OpenAI, shaped his vision for a new kind of online search experience, foundational vision. In 2022, Srinivas co-founded Perplexity AI with Dennis Yaratz, Johnny Ho, and Andy Konvinsky. Rather than building another LLM, the team conceived an answer engine that leverages real-time web search and generative AI to deliver conversational answers, complete with citations, delivering transparency often missing from traditional chatbots. Second, strategic moves to shake up the AI search landscape. A. Airtel deal. India as a launchpad. In a masterstroke, Perplexity partnered with Bharti Airtel, one of India's largest telecoms, to offer its 360 million subscribers a free one-year subscription to Perplexity Pro, which normally costs 17,000 rupees annually. This unlocked premium features like access to GPT-4, Claude 3, and more for millions of users at no cost. As a result, the Perplexity app skyrocketed to number 1 among free apps on the Apple App Store, beating industry titans like ChatGPT and Gemini AI. Not just in India, but also the US are using India as a high-impact launchpad. Perplexity acquired users at scale with low customer acquisition cost and gained global visibility. B. Product differentiation and innovation. 1. AI-powered answer engine. Perplexity's core offering emphasizes accuracy, contextual search, and trust, presenting answers with transparent citations. Unlike ChatGPT's hallucinations or Google's blue links, critics have labeled Perplexity as a Google of the future, but with citations. 2. Comet, the AI browser. Perplexity launched Comet in July 2025, a browser built on Chromium, featuring AI-powered summaries, real-time explanations, and seamless navigation. This positions Comet not merely as a tool but as an intelligent assistant for productivity and context-rich browsing. 3. Expanding ecosystem and capabilities. Perplexity introduced products that go beyond search, deep research for in-depth reports. Shopping Hub, integrating Amazon and NVIDIA-backed AI-powered commerce. Internal knowledge search for enterprise users. Open sourcing R 1776, showing a commitment to transparency. 3. Bold leadership and visibility, defiant stance on competition. At Y Combinator's AI startup school, Srinivas warned entrepreneurs that big tech will inevitably copy anything that's good, urging them to build defensible, nimble innovations. Perceptively, companies like Google, OpenAI, and Anthropic followed Perplexity's lead in enabling web browsing. Chrome acquisition bid, turning heads. Perplexity made headlines with a staggering $34.5 billion all-cash bid to acquire Google Chrome, a move many saw as bold or even audacious. Yet it successfully captured global attention and sparked conversation around antitrust and competition. India-Centric Advocacy. Driven by a desire to elevate India's AI ecosystem, Srinivas pledged $1 million and 5 hours weekly to Indian AI development, with an additional $10 million if milestones were met, with a focus on open-source, high-quality models. He also offered to collaborate with India's government to expand access to Perplexity Pro for students and researchers, aligning with nationwide educational initiatives. Recognition and influence. Srinivas earned a mention as one of Time's 100 most influential people in AI. He also caught attention through social media antics, like joking with Elon Musk about raising $500 billion, signaling his bold, disruptive leadership style. Fourth, market position and growth metrics. Perplexity's rise has been meteoric. Founded in 2022, it jumped from a $1 billion valuation in early 2024 to $9 billion by December 2024 and soared to $14 to $18 billion by mid-2025 after a $500 million funding round. As of mid-2025, it handles 780 million queries per month, growing over 20% month over month. In India, downloads surged 600% year-over-year, and MEOs grew 640%, far outpacing ChatGPT's 350% in the same period. These statistics show how user-first features and strategic localization can rapidly scale growth, even in markets dominated by giants. 5. Why this matters? A real disruptor. Transparent answering. Perplexity's emphasis on verifiable citation-based AI answers significantly increases trust, particularly essential in an era fraught with misinformation and AI hallucinations. India-first strategy, global reach. Rather than chasing only Western markets, Srinivas strategically leveraged India's scale, thanks to partnerships like Airtel and Paytm, gaining both mass adoption and momentum. Independence amid consolidation. Despite pressures and interest from major players, Perplexity has remained independent, choosing to chart its own path. A rarity in the AI space where consolidation is common, building the next internet interface. Comet represents a paradigm shift. A browser as an assistant, integrated, proactive, and AI native, setting the stage for a post-Google era of browsing. Cultural and inspirational resonance. Srinivas's story, Chennai to Silicon Valley, IIT to AI focus, bold leadership, and championing India's tech advancement, is a compelling narrative that energizes both the global and Indian innovation worlds. 6. Final thoughts. Aravvin Srinivas, at just 31, is not merely building another startup. He's reimagining how we search, browse, and interact with information. His bold strategies, ranging from AI-powered answers with transparency, launching a novel AI browser, leveraging India's user base deeply, to sculpting a narrative of independent, fearless competition, are positioning Perplexity as a genuine contender to ChatGPT and Google Gemini. The road ahead remains steep. Google and OpenAI have enormous resources. Chrome and Gemini are entrenched, and Perplexity faces legal challenges around content usage. But with ingenuity, strategic timing, and mass market momentum, especially in India, Srinivas is crafting more than a company. He is cultivating a movement.